Hello students, I welcome you all in the video lecture 5 of chapter 3 Economics, Money and Credit. Today in this video lecture we are going to discuss about the self-help groups. Dear students, poor households are still dependent on informal sources. It means in rural India, in villages, still banks are not there. People they do not have any other source to get the loan. So they are to take the loan from informal sources. That's why they are dependent on informal sources of credit. Getting loan from bank is much more difficult than from informal sources because from the formal sources, from the banks, if they have to take the loan, they must have proper documentation, collateral, and repayment and regular salary. But in the absence of all these, they are not able to take the loan from the bank. That's why they are too dependent on informal sources. Absence of collateral and documentation. That is the another major reason that they are dependent on informal sources. Money lender, they are willing to give loan even without collateral. Even they can approach easily to the money lender without repaying an earlier loan. These money lenders they charge high rate of interest, keep no record of transaction and harass the poor borrowers. Then what to do? People tried to find out some other way and they got it. And that is self-help groups, SHGs. What are these self-help groups? Dear student, these are the groups of 15 to 20 members, usually belonging to one neighborhood. They meet and they save regularly. The members of these groups, they can take the small loan from the group itself to fulfill their needs. If they are regular in the saving for 1 or 2 years, then they become eligible to take the loan from the bank in the name of the group. And these groups help these people to create self-employment opportunities. They can start their own business, small scale manufacturing, they can trade in goods. Important decisions regarding saving and loan activities, all they are taken by the group member itself. And these groups are also responsible for the repayment of loan. What is the basic idea behind these setting up of self-help groups? The basic idea is that they want to organize rural poor women especially into self-help groups and collect their saving. The second idea is that to make these women financially self-dependent. To solve the problem of lack of collateral, these groups are introduced. These groups save the poor people from the exploitation of informal sources. These groups provide these poor people platform to discuss social issues such as domestic violence, health, nutrition, etc. and to get loan timely for a variety of needs. So these groups help a lot to the poor people. The best example is that Grameen Bank of Bangladesh. This is the one of the biggest success story in reaching the poor to meet their credit needs at reasonable rates. In Bangladesh and around Bangladesh, there are 81,390 villages. In these villages, about 8.63 million members. They are taking the loan. And almost all the borrowers, they are women. And these women are belonging to the poorer section of society. They take the loan, run a variety of small income generating activities successfully, and the founder of these Grameen Bank of Bangladesh is Professor Mohammad Yunus. So today your assignment is that we have completed the chapter and now you have to find out the exercise question answers. So tomorrow again we will discuss the chapter 3 exercise question answer So you should be ready.